How to clear browsing caches on from your Chrome browser, and how can refresh it. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we start, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let's start with the video. Let's go on my Chrome browser. Okay, so here I'm on my Chrome browser. So first we need to go to the setting to clear the your cache browsing history. Just click on the C dot option here on upper right corner and go to the settings, and here you can find out this settings page. In sidebar you will see the lots of option. Go to the privacy and security. Under the privacy and security you will find the option called clear browsing data, means browsing caches, whatever. Okay, so here there is a two type of option. One is basics. In the basic you will have only three options. You can clear the browsing history, cookies, and other data, and caches image. In advanced you will see the that both three option, plus there is a lots of option. You can also remove password, your caches image, and autofill data from your browsing history. So here we are going to talk about only browsing caches and history. So you can clear from here basic. Okay, so here you can see, you can select the time. This is a time range. You can delete all time, means all will be clear. You can clear for last 4 week, for 7 days, for 24 hours, or last hours only. So I can select all time. This is browsing clear cache history and include a search bar. This is a browsing history. Okay, this is a history of your what you have browsed. This is cookies and other site data. It is cookies, and you can say caches, and this is a images, caches image. So you can select three of them, select the time range, and just clear the data. Okay, if you want to try advanced, you can try advanced. Under advanced you can see the all other details, same as you have to just select the time range and clear it. Okay, so that is how you can clear browsing caches or data in from Chrome. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.